In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Glorious Model O software device is disconnected. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to type in Glorious device is disconnected. So just like this. And then once you've done that, you want to go down and scroll a bit until you see this website, which is Live Agent glorious.laydesk.com, and you want to click on this website which says I'm getting a device is disconnected message. You want to click that, and from here you will see the instructions. So I am getting a device is disconnected message in the Glorious software. What you have to do over here is you want to follow these instructions. So the first thing, you have to download the following zipped firmware file, and you can click on here to download it. There we go. And then the next step over here is to right-click the downloaded file and extract it to the folder of your choice. Let me show you how to do this. So you'll have this under Downloads. You want to right-click on this folder, and you want to click Extract All, and then click Extract, and then you have a new folder which does not have a zipper on it. Now the next step is to open the extracted folder, which is this one over here, and then you want to basically right-click the Auto Online Upgrade file and run it as administrator, okay? So you can basically see it in here, so do not click the Mac OS over here. You can also, of course, you can click this if you want to, if you are using Mac, and it's gonna work for you. However, if you are using Windows like me, you wanna click on over here, which says Model D, Disconnection Fix Update. Click on that, and then over here it says Auto Online Upgrade. You want to simply right-click on this, as it says over here, and you want to run it as administrator. So you want to run this as administrator, as it says over here, and then an installation window will open. Now, after you do this, let me just show you how this looks like. There we go. Now it says let the window close on its own, and then you will see a waiting message, which is this message over here. Let me close this down for you. There we go. Now, once you see the waiting message, if the mouse stops working after the firmware update window closes, you have to simply unplug it and plug it into the same USB port again. That's what it says. And then you have to start the Glorious software, and it should now work fine. It also says over here, if this installation and the waiting screen takes like 5 to 10 minutes, it means your mouse already has the latest firmware update. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you fix the issue. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.